US equity markets were up again overnight after the release of the minutes from the last US Fed committee meeting. Comments made at this meeting are considered important, with markets trying to guess what the next move will be in terms of benchmark interest rates. The Fed has shown some concern that this recovery may not be sustained, given that household spending is still relatively low and unemployment rates in the US are still very high. However, data out from the employment section of the US economy last week should provide some comfort that this positive news should be sustained through the long term. As a result of this, benchmark interest rates in the US have been rising recently. The big news on the local New Zealand front is the results from Fonterra's global dairy trade auction. Dairy commodity prices have spiked much more than expected. Whole milk powder is up 21%. Skim milk powder is up over 25%, and anhydrous milk fat is up close on 22%. Recent sentiment has suggested that global dairy production is likely to be down this year, given that weather conditions have not been favourable. This is likely to have concerned buyers for product down the track. Volumes offered on this auction are also down on the previous month. In any event, these prices were not expected. As a result of this, the New Zealand dollar has spiked around 0.5 cent since the results were announced and is currently trading at 70.6 against the US. The impact of this auction is going to be positive for New Zealand farm gate prices. Any small increase in the New Zealand dollar is going to be more than outweighed by the big increases we have seen in dairy commodity prices. While this is positive, I am not expecting to see any big changes to 2010 milk payments. If anything, we will only see some marginal increases. However, if prices are sustained at these levels through till next season, I am expecting to see a pretty good increase on our previous expectations of a mid $5 payment for 2011.